What's up guys, and welcome back to another Sunday is a profit day. We are about a day or two late. We apologize about that, but this has been a crazy weekend, from my rigs going down to taking a couple days troubleshooting to everything else. And then of course the crypto market's been down. Bitcoin about 32,000, Ethereum about 1939 right now, 1940. And RockNRain is 0.0000005888 currently. So first we always start this, guys, with RockNRain. RockNRain is a coin. You get 200% by staking it. We currently have about 13 billion of it. And last week from 614 to 620 we staked about 447 million, which this is what it's worth in Doge. Multiply it by Doge, we got about 145 Doge, or we got $26.22, whichever way you want to look at it. So that's our staking. Now for Ethereum, our week is a little bit off. If you guys haven't been watching this channel, I run a 1616 Ti, a 1616 Super, and another 1616 Super. I just did a video on how to install Ace's stuff 1616 Super into one of my rigs. But I installed another card into there, the one that I just wanted to compare a 1616 Ti to my staking, but it looks like it's all expanding again for me. Alright guys, so starting of the week, this was the three cards. The 1616 Ti, 1616 Super, and the other 1616 Super, getting about 0.0016886 a day. Then when I added the other card, we are up to 0.00259 a day. So for that week, we got 0.0145457 Ethereum, or at the current price of Ethereum, we got about $27.85. So if we go here, $27.85, and it looks like mining and staking are basically identical this week, only mining winning by about $1.61. So that is awesome. So last one that we compared, let's go to Ethermine to show you guys. We're running about 110 mega hash, 116 mega hash. So we got the 1616 Supers, two of them. We got 1616 Ti. Then I picked up a Zotac 1070 mini 8 gigabyte. It's doing about 26 mega hash, or about 94 watts. I'm not liking it. It's not as efficient or doing as much as the 1616s are. So I most likely will be selling that car and getting another 1616 Super if I can get a good deal on them. But you can see here we're running about 160 mega hash. It's saying we're doing estimate about 0.0035 Ethereum per day. I haven't seen it yet, but maybe that's because I'm a little behind on charting. Maybe it will go up. Weekly says about 0.02452, and monthly says about 0.1, which would be great for that rig. It'll get closer to my other 1660 rigs, which will be awesome. So as far as that go, that's Ethereum, 0.0145 last week on Ethereum. Then we're gonna get into our SRB1 miner rig. If you're not familiar with this, we have the rig. Whole rig costs about $500. We have a 1615 Super in there, costs us $164, and then 5 1050 Ti's. Ranging anywhere from 167 to 268 was the highest. Whole rig costs about $1,800, which is right here. And then for the last week, this is where I ran into problems, but I'll give you the profits. We made 69,927 Satoshis, or 0.000 almost 7 Bitcoin. Multiply it by the price of Bitcoin, we're getting $24 for last week. So we have a total of $680, and we're still shy $1,100 for ROI on this rig. So here's where we ran into the problem. Let me pull it up. History and stats. We're gonna go for 1 week. So usually I look at my app all day, every day, and sometimes the rig says it's off. It's off, but it's still mining. You can see the mining, unpaid mining balance getting higher and higher and higher. Well, that's what I thought was doing, but it looks like here, June 18th at 8 p.m. till about June 19, 11, so almost noon. So we were looking at about 18 hours or so on. Don't get me on my math. They took to mine 1,000 Satoshis, or 1,400. Usually it takes me, let's look at here if I can catch it, 12:05 on the 19th. And next cash out was 4 hours later. I have it. So it ran 4 or 5 times more and got me the same profit. So I lost about over 10,000 Satoshis there. Then I ran into a problem where my rig kept disconnecting and not connecting, doing all kinds of weird things for hours. Started working again, disconnected again. So all in total, I think I lost probably about 10 to 15,000 Satoshis. So this probably would have been the same week as the last week, but I had so much trouble with installing uninstalling drivers, uninstalling nice hash, reinstalling nice. Couldn't figure it out, and then last night I re-downloaded the newest drivers, hit go, and knock on wood, it hasn't given me any trouble so far with the rig. And as we can see here, it's been running for, what is this, for almost 24 hours with no issues, which is great. And you can see the payouts are coming in as they should. Profits are a little bit down. Raven coin is down, I think, to 6 cents now, or under 6 cents. Bitcoin is down, so this is going to look a little lower. All right, guys, that's it for the profits this week. We made about, I don't know, close to $100 on these staking and 2 rigs that were doing these profits on. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you want to see any kind of other videos or how to mine or anything like that, go through my videos. As always, guys, we're gonna have some testing on a 1050 Ti, I believe, on Ergo. I'm trying to set it up, but the newest rig I built is giving me troubles again. So I just took my very old computer and put a 1015 Ti in it, and so we're gonna do some testing eventually. Wait for that. That's gonna be the next video. All right, guys, as always, have a wonderful day.